Hello friends, I am Amar Ekne from Department of Mechanical Engineering, and this time I'll be teaching institute level elective named as Product Lifecycle Management. So let us see what exactly there in this particular subject. Product Lifecycle Management is an integrated information driven approach as far as product design inception is concerned, its manufacturing, its deployment, maintenance, and up to its disposal phase. Now, this is data management approach, which will give the basis for the product lifecycle management. Now, managing the product lifecycle, there are two ways. First one is modifying the product. Now, whenever we get the input from the marketing department, either we can alter product quality or enhance performance characteristics or may change the appearance or the aesthetics. It is based on the whatever input gained by the marketing department. Now, second thing is modifying the market is concerned, maybe finding out the new customers, understanding the needs and wants from the customer end, and that is how we can modify the market. That is the one of the way. Now, PLM model is concerned, it consists of various data domains or the data points, namely manufacturing and production, sales and distribution, maintenance and repair, disposal and recycling, requirement analysis, prototyping. Whenever all these particular data sets or data points are focused on product and its life, so it becomes your PLM model, that is product lifecycle management model. So that is how, by means of data, analyzing the data, usage of the appropriate data will be giving you this particular PLM model. Now let us move to next slide. Now, as far as major content or the key contents are concerned, first one is the PLM strategy. Now, under this particular strategy, various phases are there under the PLM, product lifecycle management, namely birth of the product, your growth of the product, maturity level, and its deployment phase. So obviously different strategies are applicable under different phases that has been included under this particular point. Now, product design is concerned, design considerations, design assumptions should be understood, should be applied in order to have an effective product design. Next one is product data management. Now, as far as product is concerned, it is having used data. So that particular data should be sorted out initially, and useful and non-useful data is filtered, and afterwards the useful data is normally used for the product data management in order to produce the effective product. Virtual product development tools before the manufacturing, before the production trials. At the design phase itself, we can check the model, we can analyze the model, we can modify the model, giving the different inputs, doing the modification. That's all under this product or virtual product development tools. Next one, integration of the environmental aspect in product design. As far as this thing is concerned, while disposing the used product, we are supposed to be careful so that it should not be harmful to the environment and the human health. So that is included under the final point. I hope you understood the outline of this particular syllabus. For more detail, you can refer the syllabus, you can go through it, and you can understand that. Thank you very much.